Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel, your go-to place for smart software walkthroughs and tech tutorials made simple. In today's video, we are diving into Planview PPM, a powerful project portfolio management platform designed to help organizations plan, prioritize, and deliver work more effectively. So let's take a closer look at the features, pros, cons, pricing, and finally, whether it's really worth their money. So let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do, visit the official website of Planview. All you have to do is go to planview.com because Planview PPM offers enterprise level tools for managing portfolios, programs, projects, and resources all in one place. So it offers a lot of solutions like project management and portfolio, digital product development solutions, which gives you work and resource management, financial planning and forecasting, capacity and demand planning, reporting, and dashboards. So these are used across industries, specifically in IT, product development, and business transformation. Now, if you go to the strategic portfolio management, you can start defining your organizational strategy with OKRs or goals, and it perfectly aligned portfolios accordingly. All right. And then speaking of portfolio, Planview lets you manage multiple portfolios, programs, projects, investments, and track them in real time. Not only that, you also have the product portfolio management wherein it balances workloads with smart visualizations of team capacity, allocating people based on skill sets and availability. And then there is the professional services automation wherein it gives you the ability to forecast budget, track actuals, and tie spending directly to project performance. Of course, let's not forget that it also offers the digital product development solutions. Number one is the digital product development, which gives you the digital product development is about managing the entire life cycle of a digital product, from idea to delivery, because Planview PPM helps teams collaborate across departments, prioritize features, track progress, and align product roadmaps with goals. And then from the solution, you have the ability for release management. The release management is something that can help you coordinate, schedule, and automate software releases across teams and environments. It ensures that new features and fixes are delivered smoothly and on time. And then there is the value stream management. Now, with this, it gives you the ability to focus on optimizing the flow of value across the entire software delivery pipeline. Here in Planview, this means visualizing and measuring how work moves from concept to customers and eliminating bottlenecks or efficiency along the way. Speaking of that, there is the software toolchain integration. Planview integrates with popular DevOps, agile, and development tools such as Jira, GitHub, Azure DevOps, Jenkins, allowing teams to work in their preferred platforms while Planview provides unified visibility and reporting. And then there is the test environment management, wherein you can manage testing environments, which can be tricky, yes, especially when multiple teams need access. But this feature helps reduce environment conflicts and ensure availability for testing. Of course, there is the ability for enterprise agile learning. It helps scale practices across the organization because it allows executives, portfolio managers, environments, and tools focusing on maximizing testing efficiency and minimizing waste. All right, so it gives you dependency management and capacity planning. But the thing with Planview is that although it's great because it provides enterprise grade features with a flexibility, excellent reporting and visualization, gives you a great for PMOs and large scale strategic planning. It offers a robust integrations with Jira, SAP, MS Project, and more, and offers a solid support and onboarding materials. But it's not without downsides. Because for one, it has like a steep learning curve, especially for new users. User interface can feel outdated in some areas, and The pricing is enterprise focused. It's not really ideal for small to mid-sized teams. It requires significant initial configuration for full value. All right? And as you may notice, Planview doesn't publicly list pricing as it varies by features, modules, and team size. Expect enterprise tier pricing, usually a custom code based on your needs. You'll need to talk to sales. How? All I have to do is click the contact option here, provide all the information needed. Right? So from there, one of the sales expert will give you a custom code depending on your team size, your budget goals, and needs. All right? So the question is Plainview PPM worth purchasing? Absolutely. The depth, scalability, and strategic alignment features are top notch. You might find it overly complex and expensive, but in that case, you might want to consider lighter alternatives like Monday.com, Asana, or Rike. But of course, if you're looking for authentic user reviews, detailed feedback, pricing information, and potential alternatives to Planview PPM, you can visit reputable software review platforms such as Capterra and G2.com. These sites offer valuable insights from real users and can help you make an informed decision based on your specific needs and budget. Of course, with that being said, if you wanted to learn more about Planview in general, you can always go to the resources section. All right, the resource center is going to be your go-to library for all things Planview. It gives you quick access to helpful content like articles, ebooks, white papers, or webinars or on demand. So whether you're new or a power user, it's designed to help you learn more about PPM, best practices, solutions, and innovations at your own pace. Of course, there's also the option for analyst recognition, where you can see how industry experts and analysts like Gartner or Forrester evaluate Planview. All right, so it's helpful if you're comparing Planview with other platforms or seeking validation before making a purchase. And then there are the customer stories. These are real users, real results. You'll learn how companies across various industries are using Planview to solve real-world problems and improve project outcomes. With that, there is going to be the product reviews and testimonials. It's like browsing product reviews before buying, which is useful for evaluating the platform based on peer experience. Let's not forget the event center. The event center is where you can check events to see Planview in action. You can ask questions and explore how it fits your organization needs. Last thing that you wanted to talk to is the Planview blog. You can stay informed and inspired with expert tips, thought leadership content, which is a great place to explore ideas around portfolio management and evolving project methodologies. And with that being said, you might want to choose Planview PPM if you are an enterprise level organization managing many concurrent projects or business units, or you're ready for a long implementation period with dedicated internal or external support. But you might want to reconsider Planview if your team is small to mid-sized and you prioritize ease of use and fast deployment. Or maybe you're seeking something lightweight with built-in intuitive reporting and minimal admin overhead. But overall, Planview PPM delivers unmatched power and scalability for enterprise PPM if you have the resources, infrastructure, and training bandwidth to support it. And that wraps up our review of Planview PPM. So what do you think? Is Planview PPM the right fit for your organization? Drop your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Would love to hear your take. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews and tutorials. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.